Are you looking for ways to manage your finances wisely during this very uncertain time? I can definitely help with that. Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. I am a chartered accountant and entrepreneur. I post tips and strategies on personal finance and wealth creation. If you're interested in this sort of content, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss any of my posts. Some of you may find yourselves in a place you had not imagined a few months ago. This coronavirus pandemic took us all by surprise, and no one really knows how long this lockdown will go for. It is in times like this that you need to sit down and look at your finances to make sure you're in the best position that you can be in. I believe we need to move away from just unconsciously spending money and make more thoughtful decisions. Let me know in the comments what steps you are taking to manage your finances. Okay, let's jump into it. Firstly, take a seat and look at what you've been spending money on in the past. Let's say 3 months. Now, if you budget and track your monthly income and expenditure, this will be easy. If you don't, just go into your bank account and have a look. It is really key to see the total you spend per category. So this means bills, food, entertainment, savings, etc. Number 2, you want to identify the payments that you are obligated to make to third parties. So this may be rent, mortgage payments, loans, credit card payments, childcare, and also bills such as water, electricity, gas, Wi-Fi, phone bill, and council tax. If you're in a position where your income has partly or fully reduced, you need to make time to call the respective providers and work out how best they can help you. So this may include pausing your payments or reducing them. Number 3, you need to have a good look at the other expenses and split them between needs and wants. So for example, things like food and transport would fall under needs, as you really do need those. Whereas things like Netflix, gym, movie subscriptions, going out, ordering in, all those kind of fall under wants. But of course, this really depends on you. And I would expect that most of these have come down since the lockdown anyway. Then number 4, for the items you've put under wants, you then need to ask yourself if these are really key. If so, at least make sure things such as gym has been frozen for the time being. Now, it's also a good time to research ways to reduce the things you can't do without. So for example, ways to buy cheaper food or selecting cheaper subscription packages. Number 5, the rest of your spending should ideally go to savings. And during this time, it's very clear that an emergency fund is key. If you already have one, well done. If you don't, make sure you set a plan to implement now or later on how you can put aside money every month. And that's it for my 5 tips. I hope you found it useful. If so, go ahead and click like, subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in the next video.